Hello everyone. In this video, I'm explaining the behavior of the function sine of 1 by x at x equal to 0. Let us first see the graph of sine of 1 by x. Now see, this is the graph of sine of 1 by x. When you look at the graph of this function, as you move towards 0, look, see here what happens. When you go towards 0, there are infinite oscillations occurring here. So look here, as you move towards 0, close to 0, here the function is defined. Other than 0, at all points other than 0, the function is defined. But when you go towards 0 at x equal to 0, there are infinite oscillations. The function oscillates rapidly, due to which there is no particular value of the function at x equal to 0. See here, this is kind of band of values. Though sine function ranges between -1 to 1, but as you move towards 0, there are infinite such oscillations, due to which you can't define a specific value for this function at x equal to 0. Therefore, at x equal to 0, sine of 1 by x is not defined. So algebraically, when you put here x equal to 0, what is going to happen? 1 by 0, which becomes infinity. So here sine of infinity it becomes, which is undefined. That undefinedness is due to these kind of rapid oscillations. Though the sine value, look here, the maximum value of sine is 1 and minimum is -1. Though it is happening here, still we can't define a single value as you approach towards 0. So therefore sine of 1 by x is not defined at x equal to 0. So here the conclusion is, it is not defined at x equal to 0. At all other points it has the particular value, but when x equal to 0, there are rapid oscillations occurring, in kind of infinite oscillations. Though they are bounded oscillations, still the function is not defined, because at x equal to 0 you don't have a specific value. You can look at the graph of this function. There is a band of values as you move towards the value 0. Now next question is sine of 1 by x continuous at x equal to 0? What about the continuity? So it was not defined at x equal to 0. So the immediate result is, if it is not defined at that point, no question of continuity, because the definition, algebraic definition of continuity requires limit of f of x as x tends to 0 equal to f of 0. Now we know that the function is not defined at x equal to 0, hence no question of continuity at x equal to 0. So graphically you can see here, continuous graph means you can draw the graph of that function without lifting the pen. But here you may think you can do that, but how many oscillations you have to put here? That is impossible, because there are infinite oscillations occurring as you move towards 0. So your graph is like never ending. Hence, the continuity is not precisely defined here. So this function is not defined at x equal to 0. It is not continuous at x equal to 0. So if you want to prove this algebraically, you can write it is not defined at x equal to 0. Hence, the function is not continuous. You can use, actually the precise method is epsilon delta definition, or else you can take like this. Take 1 by x as t. Let 1 by x equal to t. Then limit of sine of 1 by x, I have taken it as t. As x tends to 0, what happens to t? T tends to infinity, because 1 by 0 is infinity. So limit t tends to 0, infinity it becomes. So this is equal to, when you apply the limit which is not defined, sine of infinity which is not defined. Now here, to say that it is not continuous at x equal to 0 algebraically, so you can show the function is not defined at x equal to 0, hence no question of continuity at x equal to 0. So what about the differentiability at x equal to 0? So it is obvious it is not differentiable at x equal to 0 as well. So to prove differentiability, you need left-hand derivative and right-hand derivative. How to define left-hand derivative? Limit as h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h minus f of 0 divided by minus h. So this gives you limit h tends to 0. F of minus h is sine of 1 by minus h minus f of 0. This definition needs f of 0. But you know that this function is not defined at x equal to 0. So therefore you can't proceed further. So as this value is a kind of infinity, not defined, hence you can say that the function is not differentiable at x equal to 0. When you look at the graph, you know that when you have the sharp edges or sharp change in the graph, then such graph are not differentiable at that particular point. Here the oscillations become so sharp and infinite or rapid, so that it is a sudden change, therefore you can't define the rate of change of such function. So this is not defined here, hence it is not differentiable at x equal to 0.